Hey guys, this is my first railroad crossing tour, and this one is in Pilot Knob, Missouri. And yeah, this crossing is apparently owned by the Union Pacific Railroad. If something happens at this crossing, just call that number. This thing is probably older than me. We don't know if there's any trains coming right now. I don't think there's any trains coming. But pretty cool, right guys? Let's go see this one. So, this is probably so old. Look at this one. There's a license plate on it. What is this? Oh, this is the other railroad crossing. Yeah, let's look both ways, guys. The milepost down there, I have no idea what milepost it is. And the milepost where it ends at half is right there. Half. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next railroad crossing video tour. Bye.